What type of pump and seal would you recommend for water for injection applications and why?
Okay, if you use a centrifugal pump for water injection applications, but the application has to be perfectly clean. So you can't use a regular seal on it because any contaminations would ruin your process. So what you have to do is you have to put an E-style seal or a double mechanical seal on the pump. And instead of using a regular water or some other chemicals, a flush, you use the injection water. So you take the regular back plate and you'd have a housing bolted onto the back like that. And then you would take a line from the discharge of your pump back into the seal and pressurize the seal with your WFI water. And that means if there's any leakage, it's your WFI water that's leaking back into your product as opposed to some other contaminant. It's a very tricky application, a very complex seal.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Thanks.
You're welcome.